Hey, this is Dr. BJ Hardick. Hey, I'm here to talk about the 4 most common hidden sources of sugar. I have an article on Dr. Hardick on my blog about this. The first one to look out for absolutely are everyday condiments, meaning stuff that we put on our foods. So this includes, yes, ketchup, which is typically loaded with sugar, relish, which is always loaded with sugar. You do also have to be careful of even table salt, which nowadays most times has sugar in the mixture, and even some of the stevias in health food stores and coffee shops, you'll see those will also have sugar added, which is unbelievable because, you know, condiments is actually a great way. If you do something like with a natural mayonnaise or a natural mustard, you're getting things like extra virgin olive oil, you're getting egg yolk, you're getting turmeric, things that actually provide some benefit to your body. So my suggestion when it comes to condiments is either travel with or make your own. There's a ton of recipes on drhardick.com. Most of them originally out of Maximize Living nutrition plans. So that's number one. Number two, you gotta be careful with fruit. Some fruit just has way more sugar than other fruits. And these fruits like banana, papaya, mango, pineapple, all of these things, they have so much sugar, you know, per gram as opposed to something like a Granny Smith apple or a berry that I really only recommend that someone would have the higher sugar fruits in and around exercise and exercise recovery, and also earlier in the day when you'll still be able to burn all that off. The other factor when you're having higher sugar fruits is if you buffer it with protein or fat or fiber, all that sugar is going to have less of an impact on your body and on your insulin levels. So number three, you have to be careful of what we consider to be the healthy drinks. You know, so things like juices now, quite frankly, I mean, I grew up drinking juice. Well, most juice, again, not only, well, first of all, juice itself, if it's fruit juice, is sugar, but we have to watch out that even times we're adding sugar to these things. It's also very disturbing to me that something like an almond milk or a coconut milk, some of the soy milks, even if it's healthy soy, I mean, some of these, they have added sugar to them. So you need to be careful and look out for things like added cane sugar, even if it's organic, added agave nectar, coconut nectar, all of these things. A lot of the kombuchas as well. We've written about kombucha. Unfortunately, they'll still add sugar to these things because it does bring you to a point of addiction where you just love the product that much. So what's great now is you can look for the products that will specifically and explicitly say unsweetened almond milk, unsweetened coconut milk. So make sure you're going in that direction because we're getting enough sugar as it is. And then of course the fourth one, and this is obvious, the unhealthy drinks. So these are the Cokes, the Rockstar energy beverages, the Starbucks drinks. I mean, when you look around, now the New York City government, the municipal government has proclaimed that the average person consumes 93 packets of sugar a day as a result of all the commercially available sugar beverages. Those are an easy and obvious one to watch out for, and I'd encourage you to start doing so immediately.